It towards the end, so I'm curious because really, no kidding. Wow. Right there. Alright guys, so we're getting up to the point to where I'm going to be putting my camera in, and you're going to be watching the wash arm as it should rotate, but what it's doing is actually staying stationary. The dishwasher right now is filling, and it's taking on water, so shortly it's going to start to rotate. But if you pay attention to the bottom wash arm, it does not. It continues to spray, which actually resulted in the leak that we're having. So at a certain point, it spins and then it stops. So it's occasionally, and then you get a leak. So it's a very hard leak to actually find. In fact, the last tech on this dishwasher could not find the leak. And I told the customer that if I can't find the leak, it's a free service call. So that's why I'm doing this video, kind of to show you guys that sometimes you do get a mystery leak, and it's not an actual leak in the dishwasher. It's something else that is causing the door to actually allow water to leak out. But it's not a seal issue. So we actually replace the wash arm And that was the fix for that dishwasher. I'm going to show you another clip of a similar situation. All right, guys, so we have a Whirlpool dishwasher here, and I'm going to point something out to you. Now, the complaint on this unit, the dishes weren't coming out nice and clean. In fact, you can see this glass, it has a little bit of haze. So, the customer stated that it's just not washing. You can hear the water not flowing, and also another thing is leaks occasionally. So what you want to pay attention to is this wash arm. So your wash arm circulates the water, and you have to have enough pressure in these for them to rotate and to blast the water and make it spin. Now if you look here, see, that's melted. Something caused the wash arm to hit the heater, cause it to melt, and so now the water is just squirting out. Depending on the position when it's on, the water could just be squirting up or under the door, causing it to leak. So take this off, and you can actually remove this upper, and that will stop the leak. Put it to the bottom, locks on, everything is the same, identical, and put this one back here. It goes clockwise. All right, and that will eliminate at least a leak until we can get one ordered. Your model number is right here. Look that up, and you can find the right arm. Thanks for watching.